Alright guys, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. So today we are going to be making something very special for my wife. Now she's not here with me today, so as far as macros like your protein, your carbs, calories, all that stuff, I'll put the basics on the screen, and then in the description box you will find the complete laid out recipe for this as far as ingredients go. But I won't be able to sound them off as we do them. So let's get started. We are making blueberry muffins. Not just blueberry muffins, blueberry donut muffins. How are we doing that, you ask? Because the protein powder we're using is Machine Whey blueberry muffin protein powder. We're going to use this in conjunction with our donut recipe with a few alterations to make a blueberry donut for my wife. She loves things that are blueberry. We're making blueberry donuts, guys. So, let's get started. First thing, we need our protein powder. So we're going to use 1 scoop of the Machine Whey blueberry protein powder. Okay? So we got our 1 scoop. Now, the next ingredient will be 1/4 cup of flour. Doesn't matter what kind of flour, we're using self-rising here. Okay. Then 1 tablespoon of truvia. Any kind of low calorie, 0 calorie sweetener will be fine. Then we need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. That's some we made. Then you need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Now here's where it gets pretty different. First of all, you need 1/2 banana. Okay. If you've seen our other videos, like our chocolate donut or pumpkin spice donut, all them, we use pumpkin in those. But we need to let the blueberries take flavor here. And the pumpkin mutes blueberry. So we're using banana. Then we're also going to take 1/3 cup, and all I did was pinch press these. But these are blueberries. It's 1/3 cup. I just pinch pressed them in here. You can try putting them in a blender or something, but it usually gets all over the cup and the whole thing, and it's just easier for me to pinch press them and then throw them in. Okay? So we got all that. So first thing we're going to do is take the back of our spoon and kind of smash up this banana, because it's going to be the problem getting it worked in. So I just use the back of the spoon and I'm just going to push it until I kind of smush it like mashed potatoes. Okay. Then once I start to get it moving, I start mixing. Okay. Now, since I've got it into almost a dough ball that I pushed in, I'm going to add my final ingredient, which is 2 egg whites. Just the whites. Okay? It's important in this one you put that in last, because if you try and put it in, this recipe is so kind of doughy that the flour, it'll chunk in the flour, and we don't want that. We want it to mix in real nice. Now at this point, because it is bananas, if you wanted to use a beater or something, I really wouldn't blame you, because it does get tedious. I just keep pushing it against the side, kind of smushing them as I go. But there is chunks, so you do have to keep going. This will give you an idea where we're at. Not mixed up enough yet, but we're getting there. So, my wife absolutely loves anything blueberry. And I couldn't get blueberry through my protein. which is who we get a lot of our protein through. So I found this for a very reasonable price. It has a blueberry flavor. It is slightly a fake blueberry flavor, but about everything you find anymore, even blueberry pancake mix, is almost like a fake blueberry because they want to intensify it so much. So we got a slightly green banana because it doesn't want to mash up as much as it does when they're very, very ripe. But it'll be okay because my wife likes banana too. And as you can see, there's blueberry all through it. Alright. So I'm going to call that good. I'm not going to get overly picky. My wife loves me and she'll eat them. So we take our donut pan, hit it with a little pan. This is a non-stick pan, but I still do it. I'll take our tablespoon out of the applesauce. Now our oven behind me has been preheated to 350 degrees. And we will be putting these in for 10 to 15 minutes depending upon how they feel. When they start to harden up on the outside and don't push in, that's usually when you take them out. I've had a bit of warm weather lately, so we're dealing with the ladybug infestation out here in the country. I'm sure many of you that live in the country know about that. Warms up, they come out. Okay, almost there. Technically they're not ladybugs, I know, but whatever. So I'm going to split up the rest of the batter over these. And she's going to be awful happy when she sees them. And I think you guys will be impressed when you see them come out of the oven. Honestly. And I mean, where else can you get truly healthy blueberry donuts? Alright. Don't want to waste any blueberry donut mix, that's for sure. Okay. So as you can see, I can't pour as good as my wife can, but that's okay. Take a look at those guys. I don't want to pour it much more than that or it's going to spill. Hope you guys can see that. Let's get them in the oven, get them cooked, and we'll bring you back when they're done. Alright guys, so it's been about 18 minutes or so. Let's go get these out of the oven. Everything looks great. Alright. Woo! Woo! Now you could have easily gone 20 minutes. The way you know is, see how the bottoms are still pretty light? You can darken those up more. You could throw them right back in the pan and throw them back in if we wanted to. I want these to be a little bit on the underdone side. I want them to stay very moist because I'm going to let them set and harden up a little bit out on here because I plan on cutting a few and doing some other things with them. But no sense in beating around the bush here. Look at that, guys. I mean, really. It's hot. Very, very hot. Hope you guys can see that. Trying to get some different angles and Oh, ooh, my wife's gonna love me. These are good, guys. I hope I don't eat them all before she gets some. But make sure you take the time to make this recipe, because I promise you everybody in your household will love it. Take these to work, explain to them that you got donuts, eat like 6 of them in front of them. They'll all just stare at you like you're a big fatty. But the fact is, you're eating healthier than whatever they're eating for breakfast or lunch or dinner, whatever it may be. So if you haven't already, make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you see all of our upcoming recipe, because it's just going to get better, guys. I'm just getting started. My wife's got some ideas. We got some friends working on some things. Lots of good stuff's coming here on the Frugal Homestead. And just wait till spring breaks and we get outside and you see the crazy things we get into out there. We'll see you in the next one.